class. Look my fountain. It's pretty time. This one my age. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see my age? Yeah. Okay. Wait. This one my number block. One. Number block one. This one my number block five. Number block five. This one my friend. Number block seven. Number block seven. And here my friend. Number block seven. This one my number block. Number block 10. Bye. See you till next time again. Bye, children. Bye. No.